Hello and welcome back. Here are 3 SEO tips from me to you. Number 1. Set up and use the Google Search Console. To find out, among other things, what keywords your site is ranking for and which other sites are linking to yours, make sure that you sign up and use Google Search Console. Number 2. Set up a Google My Business page for your business. Doing so builds trust with Google and improves rankings for localized keywords to improve your local SEO. And finally, number 3. Diversify your traffic sources. Google is a great source of traffic, but being 100% reliable on them for visitors to your website puts you in a vulnerable position. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.